Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer books to your Kindle the right way in 2025. First, let us know the new Amazon policy. Starting February 26, 2025, Amazon officially removed the download and transfer via USB feature for Kindle books. This means you can no longer download Kindle purchases to your computer for USB transfers. Instead, all Kindle book deliveries must go through Wi-Fi connections or the Kindle app in supported devices. Transferring personal or non-DRM files. You can still move your own documents and DRM-free files like PDFs or Word docs to your Kindle in these legal ways. Email them to your Kindle's unique email address, found in your Kindle settings. Use a USB cable to directly copy personal files to your Kindle. This method still works for non-DRM content. Use Amazon's official Send to Kindle app or tools to transfer personal documents. A third step, access Kindle book purchases. Books you've purchased from the Kindle store are now only accessible through your Kindle's Wi-Fi connection or the Kindle app on smartphones, tablets, or desktop devices. Do not break DRM. Avoid using or promoting any method that removes DRM protections or bypasses Amazon's system. This includes third-party tools or plugins designed to extract or unlock Kindle files. Doing so is illegal, violates copyright laws like the DMCA, and breaks YouTube's terms of service. Step 5. Reading and backup tips. Because manual downloading of Kindle books is no longer possible, stick to reading purchased books via Kindle apps or Kindle devices. You can still back up your personal non-DRM files on your PC and transfer them to Kindle legally when needed. A short summary: you can manually transfer personal non-DRM files using email or USB. Purchased Kindle books must now be accessed via Wi-Fi or official Kindle apps only. Avoid any DRM bypassing since it's illegal and violates platform rules. Always stay compliant with Amazon's rules, copyright laws, and YouTube's guidelines in 2025 and beyond. And that would be all for today's quick guide. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.